Welcome to Comox Valley RV video series. We hope you find this information helpful. Please read your manuals for more information on how to safely operate your all-season travel trailer, or go online to dutchmen.com/owners-manuals. This walk-around will demonstrate many of the features available on your trailer. Not all travel trailers are equipped with the same features, so you may notice some minor differences. If we have missed a feature on your trailer, or if you need further explanation, please ask our service department for more assistance. Your walk-around starts on top. Your trailer is equipped with a roof membrane that should be cleaned once a year, depending on how you store your trailer and how it's operated. The roof structure is for maintenance only and should not be used for any other purpose. The roof is not a walk-on roof and should be cleaned without standing on top. Let's take a look at the front hitch assembly. In this example, you'll notice a front hitch, 7-pin connector, safety chains, emergency breakaway cable, two 30-pound tanks, two 6-volt batteries, and a power tongue jack. Most trailers require a 2 5/16 ball for towing. Please see our service department for more assistance. When hooking up your trailer to your tow vehicle, remember to attach the safety chains, 7-pin connector, and emergency breakaway cable. If for some reason your trailer comes off the hitch, then the chains will keep your trailer from taking off on you, and the trailer's brakes will be engaged to stop your trailer. The power front tongue jack will raise and lower the front of the trailer by simply pressing the button. If your trailer has a manual tongue jack, simply turn the handle. If you have no power to your power jack, then use the hand crank provided and insert into the top of the jack and turn. When your trailer is parked, use your tongue jack to level your trailer and not your stabilizer jacks. Once level, simply lower your stabilizer jacks. When leaving, raise your rear stabilizer jacks first before you raise your front tongue jack. As part of your Get Ready package, all propane tanks are filled and a single 12-volt battery is included. As a minimum, all trailers are equipped with a single 20-pound propane tank. Larger units will have two 20-pound tanks, or even two 30-pound tanks. Shut off your propane whenever you smell gas, or if your CO2 detector goes off. Your propane tank should also be turned off when traveling and when on the ferries. There are 3 sources of electrical power for your trailer. Battery power, when you're plugged into a power outlet or generator, and when you're plugged into your tow vehicle. A battery is required when towing a trailer with trailer brakes. You can expect a single 12-volt battery to last up to 2 days with very limited usage. There are items like your gas detector and radio that are continually drawing power from your batteries, so you may want to be careful of your usage until you know your battery's limitations. Be sure to plug your trailer in a couple days in advance of your trip to make sure your battery is fully charged. We recommend 2 6-volt batteries for longer lasting power, especially if your trailer is equipped with a 12-volt fridge. When towing, you always want your trailer to be level. With that in mind, if the tongue weight of your trailer lowers the back end of your tow vehicle, you may wish to consider an equalizer hitch or weight distribution hitch. If this is the case, ask our service department for more information. Let's move around to the entrance side of the trailer. Most trailers come with front and rear manual stabilizer jacks. Stabilizer jacks are used to stabilize your trailer so your trailer doesn't bounce when you walk around. Manual jacks require a hand crank that is located in the front compartment to raise and lower them. Front and rear power stabilizer jacks are a very popular feature. Simply press the button and stop when the footing is secure. Use your stabilizer jacks once you have leveled your trailer with the front tongue jack. Do not use your stabilizers to lift your trailer, or you will likely damage them. For the best results, ensure the stabilizer pads sit on level footings. Most trailers are pre-wired for portable solar panels. Solar helps keep your batteries charged. To make the most out of solar, it is recommended you upgrade from a single 12-volt battery to 2 6-volt batteries. If your trailer is equipped with a 12-volt fridge and you're not plugged into shore power, then we highly recommend 200-watt solar be installed. See our service department for more details. This is the furnace vent. It gets hot when the furnace is operating. Advise children not to touch and be careful not to lean anything against the vent. This is a 110 power plug and will only operate when your trailer is plugged into 110 power or when a generator is attached. 110 plugs are located throughout the trailer. Your wheels have been torqued and should be checked after your first trip or 80 kilometers. Torque your wheels to 100 foot-pounds of torque. Check your wheel bearings every year. Let's take a look at the power awning. Most trailers are equipped with power awnings. Awnings are meant for sun protection, not wind and rain. A strong wind will bend the arms on your awning. Remember to close the awning if you are going to be away for any length of time. Simply press the button just inside the door to open and close your awning. Let's look at the rear of the trailer. Most trailers come with a spare tire, but if yours does not, they are available in our parts department. The bolt usually requires a 3/4-inch socket. Most rear bumpers are hollow, so it is often used to store your sewer hose, so you don't have to use up space in the storage compartments. The sewer hose is included with your Get Ready package. Let's move on to the other side, the slide side. When setting up your trailer, you want the trailer to be level. Trailers with slides have multiple seals to stop water from getting into the trailer when the slide is open. If your trailer leans slightly toward the slide side, then water is less likely to sit on your slide and will run off better. An awning for your slide or slide topper is available as an accessory. This will stop water, leaves, and other debris from landing on your slide. See our service department for more information. Let's review the sewer connection and low point drains. To dump your tanks, connect your sewer hose that comes with your Get Ready package and connect it to the large open black pipe. Next, connect the other end to the dump connection. Empty black water tank first by pulling the right handle to open the valve. Then, open the connection to the gray water tank by pulling the left handle. This will help flush the sewer connection. Shut valves after draining. Store sewer hose and bumper. The red low point and blue low point drain are located next to each other. The red low point drain is to drain the hot water lines. The blue low point drain is to drain the cold water lines. Once you have emptied your tanks, remember to drop a tank deodorizing puck into your black tank. Just drop the puck into the toilet after each black tank disposal and flush. When your trailer is hooked up to a sewer connection, it is recommended that you keep sewer connection closed. Let the gray and black tank flow. Fill it and then empty it so you don't have a buildup of solids. Close to your sewer connection will be the freshwater tank low point drain. Pull the drain at the end of the season or when the trailer is going to sit for a while so the water doesn't turn stale. There are safe treatments available if you find over time the fresh tank needs to be cleaned. After you dump your black and gray tanks, you may wish to flush your black tank. A black tank flush will rinse out your black tank. Clean the black tank sensors and rinse your sewer connections. To operate, keep your sewer hose connected. Push the handle in to close your black tank connection. Connect a freshwater hose to black tank flush. Turn the hose on and let it run for a minute so it partially fills your black tank. Not too long as to cause your black tank to overflow. Pull open the handle to your black tank connection. Let it run until the discharge is clear and your sewer hose is clean. Turn the fresh water off. Let the water drain. Close black tank connection. Disconnect the sewer hose. Drop a tank deodorizing pack into your black tank. If your trailer does not have a black tank flush, then see your service department for alternatives. On one side of the trailer you will find your city water connection, 30 amp power cord connection, and cable and satellite connection. Use the city water connection to get a steady source of fresh water. A fresh water hose is included with your Get Ready package along with a water pressure regulator. Some camping facilities use excessive pressure to push water through their system. The water pressure regulator will lower the pressure, 40 to 50 psi if needed, so as to prevent your internal water lines from bursting. It is not necessary to use your water pump when connected to an outside source, because the pressure is ample to move the water through your lines. After hooking up, run the tap for a moment to run fresh water through the lines, but not too long as to fill up your gray tank. When you're not hooked up to city water, you will want to fill your freshwater tank. Use the freshwater hose supplied and fill until it overflows. Turn your water pump on to pump the water from freshwater tank to your faucets. You can fill your tank at home or wait till you arrive at your destination, so you don't have to tow the extra weight. At the end of the season, drain your tank by pulling the freshwater drain. Trailers come with a 30 or 50 amp power cord. A 15 amp adapter comes with the Get Ready package to convert the 30 amp cord to 15 amp. This will allow you to plug into any 110 plug. When plugging a 30-amp power cord into a 15-amp adapter, you must be careful as the adapter is intended for maintaining a cold fridge and charging your batteries only. If you operate the air conditioning, microwave, or anything requiring high amperage, you risk an electrical cord fire. With cable and satellite connections, simply plug in and then look for the connection inside the trailer to plug into your TV. Most trailers come with an on-demand water heater like the one shown here. Simply turn your propane gas on and switch the water heater on. Some trailers allow you to set your water temperature preferences on the control panel inside the trailer. There are some trailers that come with a 6-gallon DSI water heater. DSI means the water heater can be automatically lit by an electric switch inside the trailer, rather than lighting the pilot light yourself. The switch activates the burner, which heats the water until it reaches a predetermined temperature. The burner will go out once it reaches this temperature, and will only reignite when warm water is used inside the trailer. Make sure there is water in the water heater. Turn your propane on. Go to the control panel inside the trailer to turn the hot water heater on. The heater will make 3 tries to light before turning off. If it doesn't start, then most likely the problem is there isn't enough propane in the propane lines. Press the reset button. Go to the stove and light it to ensure there's enough gas in the propane lines. This should resolve the issue, but if it doesn't, check the fuse box. If the fuse is fine and the system still isn't working, then call our service department. For proper use, make sure there is water in the tank before use. It is also highly recommended that the water heater switch remain in the off position during travel and periods of non-use. The switch shown is currently in the off position, with the circle portion of the switch pushed in. When the line portion of the switch is pushed in, the water heater will be turned on. At the end of the camping season, as part of your winterizing procedure, you will want to drain your water heater. Do not do this if your water heater has been on recently. A brass tap is a pressure release valve. Let's review some of the key features inside the trailer. To operate the stove, lift the glass top completely. Turn the burner switch of your choice and then use the knob on the left to spark the burner. Then adjust to the desired heat level. Ensure all the heat from the stovetop has dissipated before you close the glass cover. The oven is equipped with a pilot light located to the right side. Open the oven door. Turn the knob to light the pilot light and hold in as you're lighting and adjust to the desired temperature. The fuse box is one of the first places you check if something's not working. The fuse and breaker box is labeled. Use only the recommended fuses. At the entrance to most trailers is a monitor panel with tank monitors, water pump control, water heater control, battery level, light switches. The tank monitoring system is a convenient way to determine the levels of your freshwater, gray water, black water tanks, and battery level. If your black tank was recently dumped but is still showing that it's full, then you may have waste on the sensors. Flush the black tank to clean sensor and retest. When operating your slide, make sure you can open the slide safely. Walk around the outside if you're not sure. Check to make sure TV, ladders, and furniture are out of the way before you operate your slide. When using your awning, check the position of the entry door to ensure it does not interfere with the opening and closing of the awning. To operate the microwave or air conditioner, your trailer must be plugged in or connected to a generator with sufficient power. The controls can be located on the unit or by thermostat on the wall. Some air conditioners are also ducted. In most cases, the thermostat controls the furnace and the air conditioner. Press the mode button to turn on and cycle through the modes to the desired selection. Fan, cool, furnace, off. Set the fan to auto, choose cool or furnace, and then set the temperature. If you set the fan too high and choose furnace, then the fan in your air conditioner may come on. Some units, the thermostat only manages the furnace and the air conditioning controls are on the unit. A fire extinguisher is included with the trailer. They normally expire every 5 years. Read the label for proper operation. The smoke alarm is battery operated and will give out short beeps when the battery is getting low. Your trailer is equipped with a carbon monoxide propane gas detector. Press the test button before each trip to make sure it's working. If your batteries, single 12 volt or two 6 volts, run low, the alarm will automatically sound. An RV toilet is simple to operate. Press lightly to add water and press the foot pedal down to fully flush. Use RV toilet paper only because it breaks down faster and is more suitable for septic systems than regular toilet paper. This will also make it easier for you to empty your black tank. We hope this walk-around has been helpful. Please review all safety notices included with the service manuals provided. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for the opportunity to serve you and happy camping. Go to comoxvalleyrv.com for more helpful videos.